Alright guys, I'm gonna show y'all my setup real quick. These are kind of like the basics that I use at every location. But yeah, let's get into it. So first off, I got my little container. Got my extension cord, my bug scrubber. That's to refill the steam cleaner. I got my 2 buckets here with the water hose and the attachment there. Got the carpet extractor, steam cleaner, extension cord, trash bag, and a vacuum. These are my basic setups, what I take to every location with me. A degreaser. This one actually got a hole in it, so I'm not using it right now. I'm pump action sprayer, but you got the degreaser. You got tire shine. This one is glass cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, showroom shine, which is probably my favorite product in here. We got some air freshener, some spray wax, the soap I like to use, some more glass cleaner. Then you got some polish, and you got a cutting compound. Boom. Got all my towels here, some cutting pads that I got before. So yeah, there's all my towels. Keep those in this container here. Here I got my brushes, got my wheel brush, wheel willy, some other brushes that I might get carpet with, pet hair brush, and I keep a bag of detailer brush. So I keep those on deck. Another pet hair brush, tire applicator right there, tire shine applicator, and I got a steel brush down there as well. So yeah, going forward. In this one, I keep my like special detailing product. You got the clay bar there. You got a wax here, paste wax. You got a leather conditioner, and also a chrome polish right there. So I keep those all bagged up in a separate container. A 65-gallon water tank. Inside the 2-bucket wash method, we have the grit guard. So you got the grit guard at the bottom of the one that I use for the wash mitt, and this one will be like the secondary water just to clean off the wash mitt. You also got the 75-foot pocket hose. So this expands once you turn it on with the water. Start filling it up. A little extractor that I bought from Walmart, maybe 60, 70 bucks, something like that. Works really well, do the job, good. Going forward, steam cleaner, great. I just got it, but I've been using it a lot. I really love that product there. It's really been helping me be more efficient. Got a trash bag, just never know what the scene might get like. Like I said, 100-foot extension cord and a vacuum. That will get the job done. All this right here at this one location. In fact, if you wanted to get started in detailing, you don't need this. You don't need that. Just being honest, you're just gonna take a little bit more elbow grease if you don't want to spend the money. But yeah, $100, the most affordable way. Hey, you need that all-purpose tire shine, degreaser if you can, glass cleaner for sure, microfiber towels, a vacuum. You gotta have some soap, just 1 bucket at least, so you can have some water, a wash mitt for sure. You need a drying towel as well, and a water hose. Alright guys, I thought this would be a good time to show y'all this. My new Torque-X dual action polisher. Ordered off Amazon. Come from chemical guys. I also got this little pack of polishes and compounds. Also came with a medium, a few polish pads. Came with a few polish pads. Yeah, just got that in. I'm looking forward to using it. Give me a second, let me open it up for you guys. So here it is, guys. Torque-X dual action polish. We all packed up. I wanted to show y'all the Dream Team mobile real quick. Hold up. Alright, y'all see it. Got my extension cords, got my whole little box with everything in there. Got this box with the Torque-X on top. Got a few dirty towels in here, my wash buckets on top. Of course, my table on the back. My water tank. I need to get a new vinyl sticker. Boom. Over here I keep some chemicals. Some little stuff that I just might need to refill on. Y'all already know all this equipment I showed y'all. Got my trash bags down there. My pressure washer. Alright, I started the video on the camera, but it died. My pressure washer, I didn't show you guys that just because I don't really use it that much now. I just kind of use the water hose. Sign, Dream Team Auto Detailing, car washing, detailing, cash and cars accepted. Yeah, all that. You know, ride around with all that. So yeah, man, stay tuned.